In this video, we are going to discuss about voice VLAN configuration. So, in the previous sections, we have just briefly explained what is voice VLAN, but here we will be digging into it a little bit deeper. You see here that voice VLAN is an ingenious feature that enables access ports to carry voice as well as traffic of IP phone here. So, if you see that Cisco IP phones connect to IP network using Ethernet to send voice over IP packets here, and the voice over IP framework is made up of several components including IP phones, call managers and voice gateways. So here if you see that each desk and cubicle in modern enterprise network is likely to have both the IP phone as well as the PC on it. So one way of connecting the IP phone to switch may have been changing or a separate Ethernet cable or a separate switch port. Cisco came up with an idea of including a small LAN switch inside the IP phone, so that this small switch allows one cable to run from the LAN switch to the desk to connect the switch built in the IP phone. So this LAN cable will come and connect to the switch in the IP phone, and this feature is then the PC can connect to the switch inside the IP phone, as well as the short straight through the Ethernet cable from the PC to the bottom of the IP phone also is connected. So if you have access to Cisco IP phone, if you turn upside down and if you check, there are two Ethernet ports at its bottom here. So if you see that clearly, this is user PC, and for this user PC you see this is a Cisco IP phone having a built-in switch, and other side is the access layer catalyst switch. So here if you see data is transforming like this, and you see data and voice can be accessed through the access layer catalyst switch here. So it's simple that you can see in the diagram the link between the phone and the switch should be .1Q trunking, and the phone and PC should not be different VLANs and hence in different IP subsets. This design as per Cisco recommended guidelines, and you can see it can carry the voice packets as well as data frames at the same time. First, by placing IP phones in one VLAN and PCs in the other VLAN connected phones, you can more easily manage the IP address space here, and also apply quality of service and provide better security by isolating the data and voice traffic at once. If you see the data here, this diagram has a switch, an IP phone and a PC here. So the switch and the PC are in a VLAN 5, and this switch and the IP phone are in VLAN 15, and we have a trunking link in between IP phone and the switch, which is .1Q trunking, and the non-trunking part is the VLAN 5, which is between PC and the switch. So this is how to connect an IP phone and PC to a LAN switch, and this is about the voice VLAN configuration.